Hey everyone, if you have been listening, we are pulling the trigger. The Wild Horse Project, powered by the Sisterhood of Sweat and Picture Groove Photography, is a reality. And you can get signed up right now. Just DM me at Instagram at Sisterhood of Sweat or email me at info@sisterhoodofsweat.com and I will send you the link to get signed up. Spots are limited. We are only taking 20 more people. And this is going to be like the experience of a lifetime. Wild horses roam the beach and come right up to the beach house. They run the beach, they roam the beach. It's going to be beautiful. We are oceanfront with a walkway right out to the beach in a dream location.